Meaning of ESL.
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 ESL. ESL stands for English as a Second Language. It refers to the process of learning and using English as an additional language, typically when someone's first language is not English. ESL can be taught through various methods, such as immersion programs, language exchange programs, or through formal classes. The goal of ESL is to improve communication skills in English, both written and spoken. With globalization and the importance of English in international communication, ESL has become increasingly important in many parts of the world.